people, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss yet another very interesting topic, and that is how to pack and wrap up when it's time to go back home. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I have my notes here so we don't miss any important point. So let's get started. First thing first, plan ahead. Look for some great deals on flight tickets
because usually the ticket fare tends to be expensive near the travel date.
So book it first and get it out of the way. Go to the airline website and look for their baggage allowances and restrictions so you know for sure which things you need to take back, what things you need to keep and stuff like that. Secondly, you have to inform all the organization, workplace or wherever you're actually working so that they know for sure when you're leaving and you can get your rotas, your shifts, whatever it is sorted. So that thing also get out of the way. Now the next step is declutter. Now this is a very important step. I will suggest make 3 categories. Category number 1, things you really love and you have to take them back, okay? This can include your documents, your clothes or anything which is personal to you, you like and you have to take it back. Second category, things which have been useful, you are using them but you can't and you don't need to take them back. Now this includes any small to big item you have been using in your house like suppose iron board, hangers, laundry baskets, storage boxes, stuff like that. And the third category is stuff which is not any longer useful to you. You want to dump it and it's done. You don't need it. That is going to be your third category. After you have segregated your stuff into 3 categories, it's going to be very easy for your next step, which is packing. Next step is to pack. Now you need to not only pack compactly but very efficiently as well. Now the things which you really love and the things which are very important and needs to go back are the things which are supposed to be packed first. So start learning to pack them compactly. There are tons of videos on YouTube how to pack your clothes and stuff compactly. Have a look at them and start packing these things out. Keep your documents, pack them and get these things out of the way in the beginning. Now comes the second category, things that you really like. You're using them every single day but you don't need to take them back. Now what you're going to do with them? Now there are 3 ways of again getting rid of them. First thing is sell them. Now I'm aware of like many Facebook page and groups and lot of apps these days which helps you sell your second-hand things. Okay, so go for it, sell the things you can. And the second thing is you donate them.
Like for example, here in Scotland we have a lot of local charity shops. So if you have something which is in good condition and if someone else can make most out of,
go ahead, donate them. And the third way is to dump them, which I'm not gonna suggest and I'm not gonna say because it's not good for the environment either. So either try to sell it or to donate it, and that's how you get rid of the second category. Now the third category is the things you have to dump it. So you can leave it for the end when you are done with packing and you just need to throw them away, throw those things. And that's how your decluttering will finish. Here I'm going to give a personal tip. Start to declutter very soon. Start from one drawer, one particular cupboard, but do it every single day. Don't leave it for the end because it becomes very overwhelming. And in the end, either you take things which you didn't want to take, or you dump things which you didn't want. So don't get into that situation and sort it out as quickly as you can. Brings me to the final step, which is make most of your consumable goods. This is actually stuff which you're going to consume, like your food items, your toiletries, your cosmetics for girls, whatever it is. Start to consume them, make most out of it that you don't have to dump them in the end. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such good content, please like this video, subscribe and comment. Yes, just share it with people or with friends whom you think will make most out of this video. And please subscribe and join the family. And yes, bye bye, take care till I see you in my next video.